Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of March, 2025, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.05. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock faced a decline of 0.88%. This results in an average daily loss of 0.44% since its classification as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, suggesting further decline in the near future. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 5.18% over the next 3 months. The expected return could fall between negative 13.23% and negative 1.23%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a change of around 40.09%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 37.12% to 61.89% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between $323.51 and $382.18. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Apple. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, Apple's stock price decreased by 0.88%. moving from $238.03 to $235.93. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.28%, ranging from a low of $234.72 to a high of $240.07. The stock has seen a decline in 6 of the last 10 days and has dropped by 3.49% during this period. Notably, trading volume increased by 6 million shares on the last day, though this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 53 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $12.53 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $260.09, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the stock price stands 9.29%, or $24.16, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. stands at a pivotal juncture as pressing concerns over tariffs and product announcements emerge. Recent analysis highlights a potential need for Apple to pass on costs related to a 20% tariff on products manufactured in China, notably the implications this could have on consumer pricing. In the short term, investors may react negatively to news that profits could be squeezed, leading to fluctuations in the stock price. Should Apple impose higher prices to maintain margins, this decision could further impact sales volumes, particularly in sensitive markets. In contrast, the announcement of a new iPad model signals innovation and product evolution. While analysts from BMO Capital Markets express their continued optimism for Apple's stock, framing it as a buying opportunity amidst the tariff concerns, the immediate sentiment may see some volatility as the market digests these developments. Additionally, Apple's appeal against a United Kingdom order to create backdoor access in its secure cloud storage could foster long-term confidence in the company's commitment to privacy and security, potentially bolstering its brand reputation. This adherence to customer values may attract investors looking for stability in its long-term growth trajectory. Overall, while short-term tariff challenges may create some headwinds for Apple, its ongoing innovations and commitment to privacy could ultimately foster resilience and a positive longer-term outlook for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Friday, February 21, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned AAPL a reduce rating accompanied by an upgrade action. On Wednesday, February 19th, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned AAPL an underperform rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, February 19th, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned AAPL a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, February 19th, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned AAPL a hold rating with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, February 19th, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned AAPL an overweight rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, in terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $241.10. On the other hand, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $235.53. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. There are also some negative signals that could impact the stock's short-term performance. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, February 24, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 4.55%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased amid falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence, indicating a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal occurred 12 days ago. The short-term moving average, indicating a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy opportunity 14 days ago. The relationship between the short-term and long-term moving averages, a buy signal was identified 11 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short-term moving average, a sell signal was detected 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short-term and long-term moving averages, a buy signal, was noted 8 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $229.86. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.35 between its high and low, representing a 2.28% change. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.71%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.61. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $236. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $229.86. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of February 2025, Wagner Susan conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Ronald D. Sugar also made an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. Additionally, on the 25th of February, Monica C. Lozano executed an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same date, Arthur D. Levinson made an insider purchase of 1,113 shares of restricted stock unit. Finally, Andrea Young also conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit on that day. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 24.783. Overall, insiders have acquired 1,692,264 shares, while selling 2,800,500 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, Apple exhibits several negative indicators and is within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 5th of March, we anticipate that Apple will open higher by approximately 98 cents, beginning trading at $236.91. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.